Hi y'all, it's Kim with Chuchi Colore. Today we're going to paint on a tile using the Arteza Raspberry Pearl Red and the Pearl Papaya Orange, an Artist Loft Light Blue and Orange, a ColorArte Primary Element Pigment of Coral Berry and Vintage Mint, the Liquitex Cadmium Yellow Light Hue, and the Gotideal Artist Grade Gold. Today I'm putting down the colors in a ring pattern, not on top of each other, because I want to get rings of color when I swipe it. Putting the white cell activator on the back of the palette knife and gently skimming over the top. Giving a little tap tap at the end there. Gently raise that knife. I'm going to put a little dot of that coral berry right back in the center and start pulling that paint right out. I'm going to make a little star pattern. Look at those colors. A little more of that coral berry on my skewer. Now we're going to pull those colors right back into the center. Touch it with your ball and give it a good spin. Give a torch, get all those air bubbles out. One more spin. Get enough paint out there. Wow. Alright, let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like. Head on over to my channel and subscribe. Ciao for now.